Hello, it's me again. So I was actually doing a live video a few minutes ago and my connection was acting pretty sketchy. And then as soon as I finished, got off the video because I was gonna just record doing the eye look, my phone crashed. So we're going to try to, I've reset everything, make sure, hopefully we can do a pre-recorded or a recorded video using the Morphe 38, see, I don't even know what I'm talking about, 35H palette. First time I've ever used any Morphe products. I'm that girl. So let's see what we can do. I've been sitting here while my phone was rebooting and everything, looking at colors. I know what I'm going to try. I don't know what I'm going to achieve. So, let's give it a whirl. The first color I'm going to go in is called Cool Off, and it's this powder blue. We're going to see if we can kind of put that in our high creasel area. Okay, so it's coming off really, really powdery, which is, I'm okay with that.
Especially when messing with blues. I'd much rather continue to go
in to the pan multiple times than be shocked.
So I'm going to try to do
like several different blues in transition into the darker on my lid. I know what I have in my head. That does not mean it's going to turn out that way.
So we went really high. That's okay because this is a really soft blue. Almost a silver. Yeah, it's got more silver feel to it.
Than a blue. Then we're going to go in with this darker blue shade called Reflection. We're going to go in with my fluffy crease brush. And I've been spoiled to my brush cleaner, my unique brush cleaner, and I'm out and I needed something stat, and e.l.f. has an instant spray brush cleaner, and I was, oh sweet, I'll just pick that up and that way it'll at least get me through until mine gets here. No, it's not a fan at all, and it's
Stinks. I say stink. It has a very perfumey smell. So, let's see if I can do this without dropping anything, shall we? This is the
color I just did. See, it's not really true to pan, but that's cool. We're gonna go on with this color here, I think. More in the, like, define the crease. It's pretty powdery. These colors are blending really well though. What I have in mind is very blue jean feel, denim. This is a pretty color. I like it a lot.
We'll see if it.
I mean, I feel like it's going to turn out okay. I'm really bad with trying to come up with a look in my head. I'm not one of those that can look at a palette and think, oh gosh, I can put that together and this together and it's gonna look amazing. I am not that girl. I am a copier. I do much better if I see colors on somebody else. That, you know, something very similar. Of course, it's going to look different with, you know, mascara and liner on. It's not going to be so, I mean, it's going to be dramatic. And we may do a little touch of this gold because there's a blue shimmer. Should I do blue shimmer or gold shimmer? There's this one right here, and then there's that one. I think I'm going to do the gold just to give it a little bit dimension. But I just tried Tarte for the first time. Again, I'm that girl. I'm going to take a little bit of this and put it on my lid.
Just kind of right there. I'm not really doing a cut crease. Well, I mean, I guess I am.
But I tend to get really intimidated when I say I'm going to do a cut crease and it never turns out the way I want to, so I just say I'm not. It's a mind thing. I mind myself. And then we're going to put that almost navy color
On the outer V. This works very well for this. Like, it's drying down.
phenomenal. Now I like to just pat it. Oh, yes. Did I get them even? Not close enough. Yes. Look at me looking like I know what I'm doing. Now we're going to take a crease brush and we're going to go in with Wave Maker, which is this very navy color right here. Oh, that is navy.
We're going to put that on the outer V here. Oh yeah, I like this. I don't know why I have become obsessed with blues, like blue shadow. I just have. I'm doing this with a very light hand. Just blending that out a little bit.
Just so it gives a little peekaboo. Yeah, I definitely think we need to go in with that gold. There's one that is more green, but I think we're going to do the gold. So we're going to do spray a little setting spray on my brush because I want that gold to really pop.
You like that? Should I tell you what color this is? Probably. This is the color. Ooh, poppy! I like that. And we're gonna do that. Oh. Oh.
Yes.
Yes.
I'm digging it. Now I'm gonna go in with this just, what's it called? Siesta. It's just like a bone color. Just, oh, and apparently that brush was not clean. Awesome. Super.
Telling you, Hotness Express here. This is like an oddly, but it works well. I'm gonna go back in with my blending brush and just kind of work this right here. So, there we have it.
I'm going to pop on some eyeliner. And you know what? I think I'm even going to do some lashes. Let's try some lashes. We're trying new products and new stuff, so why not? All right, so I'm going to do that and I'll be right back. And lashes and mascara, and for some ungodly reason, this side is acting crazy. However, I do want to give mad props to the ladies that wear lashes every single day of their lives. You, the real MVP. MVP. And here's what we've got. I did add a little bit of blue underneath the lower lash line, a little bit of the Crystal Crush highlight, this top one right here, just in the inner corner. And we're gonna add a highlight. Why not? Go big or go home, right? Did you see my tripod? We're gonna do this gold.
What's it called? Get glossy. That is some highlight. Look at that. However, you see it's not as pigmented. It's not as crazy when you put it on, which I'm down for that. I would much rather
Build my highlighter up than look crazy. So, I love the Essence palette. Like, I love it. I don't know. I just love it. The Morphe palette, I'm into it. I like it a lot. It's one of those for sure I'm gonna have to look into what I need to do, like color combinations, what looks can come out of it, because like I said, I am not creative at all.
we're gonna do a pretty nude lip. Just because we have our
Denim blue jean eyes, which, not gonna lie, kind of like it. We used Prim eyeliner to do our lip liner, and then we're gonna go in with this peachy nude. I really like this because, again, pair it with a brown and it gives me a good nude. I'm one that I look very washed out if I don't have some type of color on my lips. And I don't know if I said it. This is Sympathetic.
of course I went a little cray-cray. But I'll fix that. Watch this.
I just totally stuck my finger in that. And now we have an ombre lip. Pretty fancy, huh? Nope. Did it on accident one time. Been doing it ever since. So, this is what we came up with today. That lash is going to drive me nuts. Sorry, I'll stop. Of course, because I'm loving the look, we want to set it and forget it.
The spray is spraying Tarte on. Just do it. I've heard a lot of good stuff about
The Morphe setting spray too. It's in like an aerosol can, so it, like they say, the mist is perfect on it. Whenever I thought about getting a different palette from somewhere, I really, really wanted the Jeffree Star Morphe collab. I didn't want to order nothing. I wanted it right then. So I dug around the Morphe section and found this one and thought it was something that if I didn't like it, that I could use just for random stuff, kids, Halloween, whatever. But I really like it, like a lot. And I like the fact that the possibilities are literally endless with this. It's just crazy to me. That is like my favorite color in the entire world, but I have no idea what to do with it on my eyes. Really excited about the reds. I love a good red orange eye. I do that a lot. I do have a few reds and rust colors, but I don't have anything like that. So I'm pretty excited about it. And pay no attention to my janky eye. Look, better. So that's it. That's it. That's all I got. I hope you enjoyed this. Feel free to share. I'm sorry for those of you that were on my live earlier that it did not work out. I hope maybe I'll be able to do a for real live tomorrow. I'm going to go through, clean out my phone again, and make sure hopefully we can get on it. But thanks for hanging out. And don't forget, if you're not following me or subscribed to me, I have a YouTube channel. I don't upload as much as I'd wish, but I do have several videos over there. So go check me out. You can just search it under my name. And thanks for hanging out. Peace.